These are Form Lighting's LED sequential taillights, and in today's video we're going to install them and review them all in under 5 minutes. Alrighty, so first things first, after you've gone into the description, clicked on the link and ordered yourself some, you're going to get a box that looks like this. You get 2 pieces of styrofoam and you also get the 2 taillights. And straight out the box, these taillights look like a piece of art. They look so good. I can't believe how much design they actually have inside of them. But nonetheless, let's get into the install. Starting with the install, all you're gonna have to do is remove the taillight. And to do that, we need to remove these 2 10mm bolts. Once you got those 10mm bolts out the way, now comes the fun part. Simply grab the taillight where you feel most comfortable and pull directly out towards you. Do not pull it to the side, do not pull up, do not pull it to the right, pull straight towards you. It may feel a little awkward, it may feel like you're gonna break something, but I promise you, you won't. One thing I forgot to say is these are completely plug and play. Now we disconnect the cables on the original taillight and plug in the new ones. Everything can only go in one way, so don't worry about messing anything up. And one of my favorite things about these taillights is that they're not gonna blow a fuse in your truck. Now that may sound weird, but it is a very common thing with aftermarket taillights. For some reason, they blow a fuse. You don't have to worry about that with these taillights. Now that we got everything plugged back in, now it's go time. Put these bad boys back into place just the same way they came out. Put the 2 10mm bolts back in and you're good to go. Now let's test them out. So here we got the turn signal, the brake light, the reverse light, and last but not least, the startup sequence. Right now they are having their Memorial Day sales. So if you're interested, don't wait, don't hesitate. Go and get the taillights that you deserve for your Toyota Tacoma.